This is crazy.
Hey guys, so just had our breakfast come lunch in Kathie Roll company.
Yeah, at like 3:45 p.m.
It was good. I mean, it was not the best, but it was okay.
Now we have covered multiple places here in New York in last 2 days, and then today again we were going to Central Park, and all of a sudden we saw this Bryant Park, and something is going on here actually. Looks like some craft fair or something. So I'm gonna show you around. It's cute. Oh, because there is so much tree. That's why you're saying we should have had
Different
breakfast.
things.
You can still have, I'm not like super full. If you want, you can have something. You can try something. So guys, this is a very good thing that we are not taking subway. It was just 20-minute walks to Central Park, which was the first place we had to visit. But after Kathie Roll company, I'm so glad that we didn't take subway, because now we are walking and we found Bryant Park, we found the Salesforce Tower, and I'm sure we are going to explore a couple more places. So that is possible only if you walk and explore the city by foot. And plus it's a beautiful day. Here we are at Central Park. See how green it is? So that is New York City, which is concrete jungle, and this is the greenery in the center of this New York City. So we are going to go now and show you guys how it is. So all those people with rickshaw and horse carriages, they were calling us Maharaja, Maharani. Maharaja, Maharani, want to take a picture? So Maharaja, Maharani, do you want to take a rickshaw? And then he started showing some of the pictures of the Central Park where Shah Rukh Khan shot some of the scenes in Kuch Kuch Hota Hai. And what was that movie? Where Preeti Zinta and Saif Ali Khan are there. Kal Ho Na Ho, yeah. So Kal Ho Na Ho and all those. Some of the songs were shot here. So we are going to go there by walking. I don't know why he said like, oh, it'll take 3 to 4 hours if you cover the whole Central Park by foot. But that's fine. We're gonna go and check it out by ourselves. What are you saying?
I'm saying, look at the people, guys. So much crowd here.
Yeah.
Everyone is enjoying, chilling, are in picnic mood, having coffee, playing games.
But it's a beautiful day. That's why so many people are out in the park, Central Park. Do you want to sit
Just
for
like
some
as you
time?
said, like there's a concrete jungle right there, and then there's in the middle, there's a real jungle.
Yeah. I mean, greenery. So pretty, clouds are pretty, grass is pretty, it's beautiful.
Be afraid of. I'm half white, me, I'm half white. It's only us 4 black guys. We cannot hurt all of you at the same time.
And we are here, guys. This is the vessel. This is a new architectural design. Recently opened in New York, I think on March 15th, 2019 it opened. And as you can see, it's a giant staircase, like crisscross staircase. And there's a shopping area around, some gardens, places there. So let's go. Here it is, guys. Now this is a closer look. I'll walk in and walk right out. So big. So you see all those staircases. But we got complimentary. This is water. chicken 65. This is Gobi 65. Hey guys, so we are done eating. We are done with the dinner. We went to this restaurant, Indian restaurant called Patiala House. Patiala House. Okay guys.
See you in club.
이거 수저에 맛있어 먹어. This is the one mom. Yes.
So guys, we made it. We are at the rooftop bar. So downstairs they have DJ and people are dancing there. But at the rooftop, people are having more fun, chilling, and look at the view. Show the view. View is amazing. We can see Times Square Road from here. And we are waiting for our drinks.
Yes. What did you order?
I ordered one tequila drink, hot or trot.
And I also ordered one tequila drink, strawberry fizz.
So drinks are here. Madam, your drink.
Thank you.
Yeah, this is my drink. Cheers.
Yeah, so this is the terrace where we are standing. They have like 3 different areas. One has DJ, one is this with the full view of Manhattan downtown. And then there's another one on that side which is kind of open, half covered. We are going to go next there.
2 DJs, one is
There.
there.
Can you see? No, I don't think it's
There. So just behind the Rachna's head, there's one room there.
Oh yeah.
And downstairs, they have one room with another DJ. So we'll go and do some dancing.
What did you order?
I ordered
Jalapeno tequila.
jalapeno tequila, something called hot or trot.
And I ordered tequila too, but mine is strawberry. It's a little sweeter, but it's really tasty.
Alright, so we'll get drunk and then we'll dance.
Yes.
So see you guys at the dance floor. Alright. Now we are going to the next DJ.
Yes. Yes, we delivered.
So darling, what you want?
I think we need this whole truck in California because I'm in California.
You want lollipops?
Purple herbal.
Your throat is bad, right? You can have this lemon drop push.
Or strawberry cup.
Oh yeah.
Curing budding vegetation. This is Iron Bar and Grill, guys. It's open till 4 a.m. So after that, rooftop bar, PhD, we were roaming on the streets, and then finally we found this one. This is we got hookah here and drinks here as well. Super cool, isn't it? This is hookah drink. See? Last time also we went to hookah lounge, but that was like just a very simple hookah lounge, no music, nothing.
Oh yeah.
Just for hookah.
That was on New Year's Eve.
Yeah, actually, amazing. Otherwise, we are staying at Times Square. We are just exploring. Times Square area, and it's really good.
Yeah, we are buying time on Times Square.
Yeah, see, it's 2:30, I think, and we were thinking in our mind that it's already 3:30 or 4, but then we checked the time. It's like, what? We have covered 2 places already. We had dinner, very nice dinner also, one of the famous restaurants, and still 2:30. So we still have so much time
Lot of
because
time, yes.
everything is open here till 4 a.m.
Yeah, you guys can see, like,
And there's so much crowd on the streets. There's also like police everywhere, so there is nothing about, no worries
no
about
worries.
safety.
No worries.
There's people dancing, having fun. The stores are open. Starbucks is open 24 hours. What do you want? Like McD is open 24 hours. You have so many options.
Yep. So what do you want to do next?
See, I don't know.
You still have a lot of hours left.
That's right.
Not a lot of hours, but a lot of minutes left.
We still have tomorrow night as well.
Alright guys, so let's see, maybe we'll go somewhere or maybe we'll just go to a hotel
We'll see.
and chill there.
Yeah, okay.
If we go somewhere, we will shoot it for you. So let's see. Alright guys, peace out.
You can go across the street. Why are we waiting?
Catwalks are happening.
Catwalks are happening. People were like, why are we waiting? Because they were all focused on the girl taking picture. They stopped that it's a walk sign and they can walk. Where are you going? This is crazy.
Time to go back to
Our hotel.
hotel. Good night. Yeah. So see you guys tomorrow.
Yes, we are done with all party tonight, okay?
Alright, peace.
Peace.